Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 18 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to import this from Revit to Twinmotion. Now, we're gonna continue working on this. Last thing we did is we added all the materials, and now we're adding lights. But before we add the lights, I just want to look if we have a nice curtain that we can use here, because I still want to showcase the glow of the light. So something like this for the curtain will be good. So give me a second, because the rotation is not good. It's not something that we need to focus too much, but just adding this one will really make everything nice here. So what I need to do is select this only. You need to drop this down and then scale it. So click on tab, scale it a bit, and then scale it wide. And then you want to make sure that everything looks good. Let's scale it a bit more, something like that. And by just adding that, as you can see, everything looks good. Okay. Make sure it's not touching the wall, right there. And then we just need to push it so that we have curtain here as well. That looks good right there. I'm happy with that. So at least we have curtain, and then it's hiding those kind of stuff there, but it's still illuminating with lights. And then we're going to add lights as well here, so we could add in the spotlight now. Spotlight there, and want to make sure that to lessen it, so 10, and then around 3000. Change the speed so that you have more control, and then here hold on shift, and then I know it's 1400, so 1.4 for two more. There we go. So the glow is 10, and then we could just add one going outside, and then we just need to lower it down. Once we see that light right there, we successfully copy that, and then we just need to place it in the location. And then we could just hold it every 1000, maybe I think 3 more, then like add 1 more, and then add right here 1.4, and then every 1000. That's 4 more. I think this is too much. I forgot the spacing that I did here. This one is good enough. Now we're gonna add on this side now. Pull it up. And then every 1000, 2 more. And then we could just copy one of this as well. And then just add. Grab it to the proper arrow. And then add it again, every 1000, 3 more, and then hold them all together so that you can add right here. 1.4, 1. There we go. Maybe here you can also just add lights so that it's properly lit here. .3 and then maybe 4 more. Now everything looks nice there. Looks like somebody lives here now. And by just adding that, it will increase the natural look of an image. And then let's try this one. Let's see how the light bounce and everything. And as you can see, this one looks good, so I'm happy with that. Now let's just add some vegetation here. So we're gonna start with 3. I want to add something like this here. I could rotate it a bit, lower it out, actually make it high enough. I think that's good enough. And then move it somewhere here. And then give something like this. the side there. And then this one as well. And then this one. Lower it a bit. Maybe I'm just going to delete this one and add in some nice vegetation here. Maybe farmer. Space it off nicely. I think that's good enough. And then on this side, maybe do the same thing. That looks good enough. Just checking which one looks much better. I think this one is good. King palm. That's good. And then let's add in some grass. So the way that we do is go to populate, place, and then we're going to scatter it. And then here we're going to put in lawn grass. Grass, and then all of them, and then here size main, and then once you're good with this, you just need to press it, and then as you can see, it looks much better. And it populated the area, so I'm gonna make it Nice as well. And then of course at the back we need to add more vegetation or more trees. What I want to do now is populate, place, and then we choose the trees that we want to add. This one, this, and then select all of them. Not this one, but we want to paint it. So I made a mistake, so we need to add them again. Add this. Okay. So now select all of them. And then density, and then we need to paint. Then at the back for sure. Oops. Not at the roof though. I'm going to make the space, or basically this sphere or this background bigger. So once I finish this, I'm going to add more. Change the speed, probably 5. And then here we need to go back here, environment, and then details, the size, make it bigger so we have more room. And then let's add more of this tree, king palm, and then you can just add it like this. You can add it individual now. And then this is important for reflection. And then change to speed again and press escape. I don't like that this is too much here, so I'm just gonna delete some of them. Change the age of some. And then let's check the way it looks. That looks good right there. I like the glue and everything that is here. So we're gonna stop here for now, continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.